Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sav. If you're returning, thank you so much. Welcome to today's video. Apologies, I was absent. It was like the worst time in. I had videos not ready to go, but like I'd ordered hauls to do and it just didn't happen because my camera unfortunately broke. So, bad time in. I have not got a replacement camera. However, Billy and my dad actually bought a new camera, which is the one I was gonna get, which is the Sony ZV-1. So that's what I'm filming on. So it's a little bit new because the screen is like to the side, whereas my old one was like at the top, so it probably looked more like I was looking straight. I'm gonna try not to look in the viewfinder, that's what it's called, as much, but yeah, it's definitely taken some getting used to, and this is my first video that I'm filming using it, so hopefully it's not too bad. But let me know if like the quality and stuff seems better. Also let me know about the audio, if it sounds better, because you've got like a little muff microphone or noise cancelling thing on the top. And yeah, I just want to know if it's actually worth buying it, because it is a little bit spenny, so don't want to do it if it's not worth it. But anyway, welcome to today's video. Today is a H&M haul. Haven't done one of these in God knows how long. I don't think there is actually one on my channel like more recently since I've removed all my videos. There probably was in the archive, but it's been a while. So yeah, this is just some new in for kind of spring pieces. Picked up quite a few tops actually. That's all I got. So hopefully you'll enjoy this haul, but yeah, let me know what you think of the pieces and let's get into it. So starting off, I didn't actually realise that this was from another brand which isn't H&M. Like I know you can do that on some websites like ASOS and stuff, but didn't realise H&M did it, and obviously didn't notice it when I was putting it in my basket. But I've picked up this stripe, I think this is like tiger striped fleece sweatshirt kind of thing. It's like half the zips, the zip only comes down to about, you know, middle of your stomach, and yeah, I just love that. Like I love those kind of jumpers at the moment. I think I've said it a million times in my videos recently. Now it was £40, but I feel like this is quite a perfect thing for that in-between season of when you kind of transition it into spring. In the UK we get quite a lot of rain, so I think this is easy to kind of pair with leggings or jeans, and you kind of have a little bit more protection than having to wear a coat. That's what I like about it. So yeah, but I mean, there's not much more to say about this. It's just really, really comfy. It's a fleecy material, really soft. I think it's, like I said, perfect for this in-between weather that we get. And it is from the brand Monkey, but I did order it through the H&M website. So yes, and I picked it up in a size medium, if anyone is wondering. Now I'm a UK, what am I? Depends where I'm shopping, but on average I'm a UK 14, if that's any help. I do tend to like my stuff more as oversized anyway, but I think this is the perfect fit. But it is on the oversized size, so I do think you could probably size down, but like I said, I like it to have space, so you know, that's that. Also, yes, I have had my hair done, if anyone thinks there is something slightly different, and I have decided to have some, you know, curtain bangs put in. Let me know what you think. I feel a little bit bougie with them, and yeah, I just think they give me a little bit more shape. And my head was quite, I just think my hair was quite flat lately, and I haven't got my extensions in. I'm trying to grow it, but yeah, I'm also debating going like a brunette colour, but I don't know. Let me know your thoughts, what you think about that. Moving on, the next thing I picked up is this rib knit top, and if you've watched some of my recent videos you'll know that I'm kind of obsessed at the moment with the colour green, so obviously I had to pick it up in this kind of forest green. It's just beautiful. I loved anything ribbed, so you can see it there. Obviously you'll see it hopefully a bit better in the try on, and I like it's got this kind of quite low neckline, and then you've got like a heart. I think this is called like a, is it sweetheart neckline, I think. But yeah, it's quite nice. The only thing with this is, I don't know if you'll see when I'm in the try on bit, but it didn't sit right on my shoulders. Now I do have a wide back, so I don't know if it was that, but it just felt like one was constantly kind of falling off, or just didn't feel level on both sides. So I don't know, it was a bit weird. Maybe it was just me, but I also picked this up in a medium, and this was £19.99. So I think, I mean, I guess that can be a little bit pricey for a top, but I think given the fact that it's ribbed, it's like a really nice quality. It's not thin, so you're going to see straight through it like it is thick. And again, I think a perfect piece for spring, because it's not, like I said, it's not thin, so it means that you can kind of pair it with multiple different things, and I think it'll keep your top half warm whilst looking extra cute with this neckline. And I always look for length in the arms as well, because I hate when things come up short. Like, I'm not a tall person, I don't have long limbs, but I just can't stand when things are either swinging around my ankles or like halfway up my arms. It's just not the one. So I did like a little length test for you, and this definitely passed the check. So yeah, this comes up pretty well. It's pretty true to size, so I quite like that. Next up is probably, I think, the favourite thing I picked up in this haul, and it's this patterned shirt, and it's pink, and I don't know, is it white, pink and cream? It's absolutely stunning. It's just beautiful. I picked it up in a size medium. It was £24.99, and wow worth it. So again, I think all of these things, like all of the things I picked up, are staple pieces for spring, but this is just really light. It's got quite oversized sleeves. Again, you'll probably see better in the try on section, but yeah, the sleeves were quite big, so I do think you can size down with this. So like I said, I picked it up in a medium. I think I could have got away with a small, but it did fit quite nice as a medium on me. So I guess it's true to size, but you can afford to size down too, so you know, entirely up to you. But yeah, I just love it, and I can see this with either some jeans or like a nice skirt, and it's kind of pub garden in the summer, lunch, or yeah, it's just really cute as well. And obviously because it's this like silk material, it's quite light, it's quite cooling, so it'll just be a really good piece from spring right through, I think, to the end of summer. So love it, and you can definitely make it dressy to wear it more formally. Next up, I have this collared rib top. Now this is like this is definitely cropped. Now I do love this, I just don't love it on me, if that makes sense. Like, it was cute, made me look like I got some, you know, some girls, but yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of cropped things anyway. I think I've said this a million times before, but I'm just not. But I did love it because it was ribbed, thought I'd give it a go. And I also love tops that have collars on them. I just think it's a really cute, and it's quite a low, like a plunged neckline, so you can definitely, you know, complement your styles. Now I did also pick this up in a medium, and this was £12.99, so I think that's a pretty good bargain for this thing. And again, past the long sleeve check, like you had enough length, it wasn't cutting short anywhere. It is fitted, so if you don't want it fitted but you kind of want this look, then you could definitely size it. Like I said, I got a medium and it was a bit too fitted for me, but it is also cropped, so yeah. But I'm loving these kind of pinks that are in, and greens, so all spring colours, all lovely. So just had to pick it up just to try it anyway. Finally, I picked up this open backed whole knit top. This was £14.99. I picked it up in a size medium. I absolutely love this. Again, I think this and the shirt were probably the two best things I picked up in this haul. It's just, I think when I saw it, I was like, instantly beach, bikini on underneath, you know, perfect. It's so cute. You've got you'll see it again, you'll see a bit better in the drawing because it's hard to show you on here. You've got like an open back with this bit of string, so obviously you don't have to have that tied up, and then you have got like a nice low neckline at the front. Now this kind of sat like off the shoulders a little bit, so quite like that. Full of holes. I mean, my nan would say to me, you know, hope you didn't pay full price for that because it's hardly any fabric. I think everyone's nan kind of says those things, but yeah, absolutely love this. Like I said, just reminds me of beach, reminds me of summer, and you could pair this with bikini underneath, shorts, skirt, I think. Yeah, it would just be a staple in my wardrobe. The only thing is, I feel like I needed to size up on this, so I did pick it up in a medium, and everything else was a medium. And I think, like I said, it's quite true to size in H&M. I've always found their sizing to be pretty good, but this I wanted to be a little bit bigger, so I think size up with this. Like I said, I'm UK 12 to 14, so yeah, I just wanted it to be a bit looser so that, you know, if you just run out the sea and you want to chuck something on, i.e. this, I think it would be a bit more comfier if it's a little bit bigger. But again, past the arm check, I think maybe just a little bit on the shorter side. I would probably like it a little bit longer, and maybe like balloon sleeves at the end, but it is what it is. Obviously it's not the design, but yeah, I have to say I did really like it, but size up with this. Okay, my little loves, that does conclude today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your favourite piece was, because I'd love to hear. And yeah, I hope you are doing well, but I do also have a Pretty Little Thing haul coming soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. If you don't already follow me on my Instagram, I will put it in the description box down below, so feel free to give me a follow. And also, I'm trying to be a little bit more active on TikTok, so you will probably see this haul kind of over there. So if you don't want to sit through the whole thing, then head over there and have a look, and obviously it's like a minute maximum, but yeah, I hope that's okay. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.